welcome back to another video on Alex Berry's channel. Today we are just chilling in Mission Bay with the Clout Boys themselves.
Clout Boys. This is cars of the gram. So you won't see these cars anywhere else apart from on this video.
Or the Instagram.
Or the Instagram. So we got the Sideways, we got Mr. Rido, we got Lord Clib, however you fucking say it. We got my shitter, and we got some Subies. And we got a JZX 100 down there. And then we got the homies sitting down over there.
Sitting down.
Bleep that music though. Don't copyright me.
No copy. Alright, what's up guys? It's Dan Rito here. I'm just gonna hijack Alex's vlog for a little bit. And we're gonna do a bit of a fitment check on these cars here. So we've got the man himself, Lord Clib, the TE Lord. And oh, we can get a card in there, pretty easy. Let's check Alex's car. Even though he says it's a shitter, it's not a fucking shitter. He's full of shit. It is one of the sickest 15s around. Oh, actually,
look at the fresh moistness that comes on your finger, mate.
Bro.
Oh wow,
that tire shine is actually lubrication for the guard rub.
That's the one.
I'm actually surprised. I thought that Alex's car was a lot lower than Caleb's, but it's not. So they're both pretty fucking sick. What do you reckon, Philly?
Oh, I like you start spoiled things, eh? They go pretty well.
They go pretty well, eh?
Yeah, look at it, eh?
Loves a good little SR.
Fuck, I've snapped my necks a few times now.
Bro, everyone snap necks at the SRs, bro.
You call 911 for me, need the hospital, eh? Oh.
Bro, to be honest. And then we have the man himself, Instagram's finest, the bakery boy, always hunting for min cheese. Just check his fitment. It's a bit dark. Oh.
You can't get that music.
Bro, you can't even get a card in there. Oh. Can't even get a card in there. Sideways is doing it. He's doing it. Probably gonna get copyrighted because of the fucking speaker. But if we look at my car, which is shit. Oh, too many cards. Need to sort that out, eh? Need to sort that out. And then we've got this thing here, Miss Swag. Fucking insane. SR20 in this beast. Not bad, not bad. Still looks fucking sick. Such a sick car. But now we're just all cruising here at Mission Bay. Just a bit of like a squad hang, eh? But yeah, that was Dan Rito's vlog takeover. You might see more of it, you might not, who knows, this might not even make the edit. But it's all for fun and games.
Hey guys, Sideways here with this S14 that looks like every other S14 in the world. I think you guys should follow the Bakery Boys. Soon we'll be rolling around with a fucking 6 or maybe 24 pies on the back. It'll be like a pie warmer and stuff. So hit us up if you need any pies that meats. We'll bring our famous lemon cheese pie on Bakery Boys. Cheers guys.
God for it.
What are we? Lime Scooter Gang.
What are we doing around here?
Off to fuck your bitch. So as you can see, we've got everybody jumping on the vlog tonight, so I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown, proper rundown on everybody's cars. So over here, obviously, if this thing will focus, it's a bit dark. Got my S15. Oh, here comes Mr. Rido now. We got Lord C-Lib.
It is a mean new whip lineup, I guess.
What is the new whip?
I'll show you guys.
No, hold on. Oh, I'm trying to get a rundown. We gotta run. We gotta run the whole way. Right. So we got C-Lib's car. We got full aero.
Stuff from Clipboard.
We got 326 power splitter kit. Don't know if you guys can pick that up. Oh, yeah, it is. We got real Gainard doors. Some TEs. Pretty sure this is just stock, but you know, it's all good.
SR20 plate.
SR20 plate. It's always good. Then we got Chris over here, Mr. Sidways, Bakery Boys, SR22, some ball on wheels, Bakery Boys already know, he's already plugged it.
Some min cheese.
Some min cheese. This is a full race car, guys. This is no shit to be fucking around with. Then we got Mr. Rido. We got race line.
Yeah, Origin Labo race line.
Origin Labo race line.
Yep.
We got some
Genuine Gain Outdoors.
Genuine Gain Outdoors.
Work Rezac 1.
Rezacs.
Recaro SR3 interior. Type X wing.
Type X wing.
Origin Labo rear
wing.
Then it's got Origin Labo extensions on the side. So side extensions and then front extensions. And if you're a retard like me, you hit curbs with them.
No, it's no good.
It also has 20mm front Origin Labo fenders as well.
Just for fitment, we gotta get that fitment. We got C33. Some big balling wheels here. Rezacs. Got that on the back.
It's got an SR20 there too.
SR20. And then we got a JZX
This is also
Mark II. This is R20.
SR20 vet, mate.
Yes.
Just finish. I'll do a quick burnout for you.
Quick burnout for the vlog. Fix the speed.
There it is. Look at this man go.
And we're still a little sitter because SR life.
Look at him putting up those Potenza RE003. Wow, the power.
003s
But I mean, I better stop because it's an SR. We have rods through the fucking roof.
Yeah, we'll lose oil pressure soon if we're not careful. I'm gonna jump back over this way because we got old head chef over here. It's got the bay popped.
How much was it?
Everything,
Oh,
including the engine.
how much? We want to know.
I believe 50k.
50k. Did you send it to the moon and back?
Yeah.
No, where did it actually go?
Elon Musk ship.
Elon Musk ship. Ah, look at the glitter.
Wow, so hot boy.
So fresh.
50k.
Blow it out.
So this is SR22, yeah. And it's Mazworks, eh? See, this guy not fucking around. Head chefs at the bakery don't fuck around. They only produce the best. Go back, I'm missing out. Come back.
You missed it.
I missed it.
Why are you back at me again?
Because it's your car, you're supposed to tell. What were we just looking at?
Let's have a look.
Where's the red button?
The red button.
Oh, the red button. Oh.
That's a.
Oh.
There's a weed grinder.
Sylvia.
I guess it.
Nah, surely not.
No, that's it.
Dead set. This is real.
This is.
Is this alloy?
Real carbon.
Real carbon.
The reason why it has these, eh?
Is it carbon
The reason
panels?
why that there's no door pull on the inside is so that once you're trapped inside, it just rapes on, bro.
Rapes. Oh, wow.
We
We got some Sylvia lights.
He's about to cry.
Oh, I need to get out the phone torch. There you go.
Trying to get that.
There's the old S15 dash swap. We got some buttons so it looks like a race car with some switches.
They don't actually do anything.
Do they not?
No.
Yarns. Do they not?
No.
And then we got a hydro, and then some big ass shifter for the bitches, and then quick release.
Such a fuckless man, 3 rounds.
And then yeah, it's just this is just actually a race car. Like people say they got a race car. Head chef has a fucking race car. Okay. What are your thoughts?
No, head baker, isn't it?
It's not bad.
Well, head baker,
I would
head
have
chef.
done a lot of things different, but
What would you have done different?
rotor grids, T37 stickers,
T37 stickers on the grids. Yeah.
and I'd probably have a cover for the fuses.
I heard they're pretty easy to get, so I don't know what
What
he's
else
up
did you
to.
do, Clint?
Oh, pie warmer in the back.
Pie warmer.
Pie warmer in the back.
Them in cheese.
Wait. Who's got more followers?
Yo, who's got more followers?
Then Bakery Boys
No,
and
you-
15
no,
gang.
No! Oh, he's calling me out right now.
Who does?
No, who does that? Should we
Bakery
check?
Boys, I
Should we
think.
check?
No,
No,
Bakery Boys.
we're talking about you two. You two.
Oh, is it Rumba?
I think it's
Let's see
me.
it, let's see it.
That's the
Caleb's not far behind.
Did you lose like 500?
Old clip,
Okay,
12,
that'll do.
12.4. 12.4. Does it tell you
Oh,
like
it's
to the dot?
12.4. Holy shit.
No, I don't think so.
So you were at like 11 last time.
yours? Sideways. 12.8.
Oh.
And the winner in the left, in the red corner. Goes to sideways.
Rumba.
Doing a breakdown right now.
No breakdowns.
Okay.
Nah, no breakdowns.
No, we are. It's already started. I'm going to break it down.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Where are we going?
You're the leader.
I'm not the leader, man. I'm
You're
just
the leader of 15 gang.
15.
Should we actually cruise somewhere better light?
Yeah, we should cruise somewhere better light so I can get you on the vlog.
Where's somewhere, you'll know, where's somewhere with good light?
Just need a
I
big
that
cup.
one by the ANZ viaduct, but they usually fucking.
So what's going on, Mr. Rido? What's happened?
So we're here, BP, Corley Street, Ellerslie. The bakery boys, one and only leader himself, has shit the bed, and his fan, what was it? His alternator?
Yeah. Alternator water pump.
Water pump, yeah.
I'm pretty sure this is still open. We'll try.
So as they say around the world, SRs are the greatest motors ever made, as you can see clearly.
Just don't hit limit for too long, eh?
Just tension your belts properly, kids.
I think it was tension. I think it might have been over tension.
Yeah, maybe that's what it was.
But knuck belt.
Because he had issues with it last week when I saw him too.
But yeah, so we got the gang posted up right now. This is actually good loading for the gram. Do you?
Loves it, eh?
Loves
like,
it.
just look at it, man. Just check that out.
Right, so we got whole gang out here. It's good lighting. Better get some clips.
Came here on purpose, really.
Yeah, this was a purposeful breakdown. We planned this.
Yeah.
Like we don't do shit unplanned. This is planned.
Yeah, well, we're trying to go somewhere with lights. So
It's all about the BP flex, you know.
BP to go flex.
Only the good gas around here.
Yeah, only good gas.
and before the cops show up.
Yeah. hey, none of that. It's just as pretty as real life, if you guys are wondering. It's not just on the gram.
If I lean back and like my weight on the left hand side of the seat, it just
Alex, I want to chase it.
I'm gonna chase her.
Yeah, buy me one.
Chase your dreams, my guy.
Buy me one, bro.
Chase your dreams.
I want to be Aussie.
These fuckboys.
Small ass.
yeah.
Is that one of them boat anchor things?
Something.
Oh, nah, does that have anyone?
One JZ,
One-
order.
DE Auto.
DE Auto.
We're not talking about Sylvia's, my guy.
No, it's a DE order.
Nah, it looks good.
It's fucking cool though.
Looks like, as Tommy Ifya would say, it fucks.
Fucks, man.
It fucks.
Yeah, Caleb's. That's what Caleb does.
Yeah, so I was probably just tired, rubbing.
Yeah, fuck. R.I.P.
Stars boy life, eh?
Stance boy life.
I was fucking, I came up no regrets. It's just like flat to get in. It was perfect, and then you're like,
Oh man, you gotta get rid of this auto dash.
I know.
Oh, it's an auto dash.
Yeah, it's an auto car.
Boy,
I go get
Boy, I don't have...
your autos and
Yeah, I don't...
rip cars out here.
Oh, rip cars. I just don't have $1,000 for a dash.
Is your gear knob genuine?
Genuine Tomei.
Genuine Tomei.
Oh, I don't know, it's just one of those Tomei Duracon fucking...
Genuine Jimmy Oaks.
Most of the new shit
Nismo.
is a
Yeah.
gearbox.
It's because it just had a fresh service, my
What
guy.
did you put in it?
Some cheap shit from Ripco.
Yes, the goods.
The goods. The
The good
best.
Penrite.
Liquid gold.
Penrite. It was on sale.
To be honest, I think mine used to feel smoother with the red line in it.
Eh? Yeah, Redline's good.
I pulled it out and put that penrite shit in it and it doesn't feel as nice. It's got like a little whine in it.
Every time I sit in other people's cars, I want to buy them.
Does yours whine at all? And any gear?
My diff does.
What clutch is this?
Factory. Nah, Exceedy heavy duty.
It is A.
Why?
Because mine feels like an Nissan Pulsar because it's factory.
Mine's the
And then
same.
when I sit in this, I'm like,
No,
"Whoa,
it's-
my car feels like a fucking Pulsar.
Yeah,
It's single. Nah, it's single mass converted.
I love my Pulsey clutch though.
Yo, I love it. Pulsar clutch, you still drop
Or
it.
Honda Civic, they got no clutch.
Oh, yeah.
Hondas have nothing.
But best thing ever.
Yeah.
Can't beat me, to be honest.
You can't
I love the factory like pillar gauge. It's fucking
Yes, okay.
buy anything off
Skitty
that.
pup parts. Hang it out in the corners, you know.
sit up for some hot boy action.
It's a heavy.
Oh, got the steering lock. Oh, she's got angle.
Just loves a cheeky huck, eh?
Is that you, LZ?
Is that who?
Is that you, Adam LZ?
He don't live in New Zealand, my guy.
But you may as well just give it away, I reckon.
Nah, Brody reckons he lives in New Zealand. Hey, Brody hangs out with him.
Oh, Brody hangs out with him. He's saying, hey, Brody.
In your vlog, he does.
Brody's taking his 32 to the strip.
Yo, apparently so.
10-second pass.
10-second pass.
10-second pass.
What do you reckon?
One cable tie.
He doesn't want you to see it, eh? Oh, you're better than that, Chris.
vlog.
But one more work. Didn't catch what was happening there. Chris's belts actually snapped on the motorway, so we were just trying to jimmy something up, and we ended up using some cable ties to get the water pump and the alternator to go, because obviously you can't drive if you've got no battery voltage and no water pump, because you're going to cook your car and everything's going to die. So we needed to figure out a way to make the car run. And yeah, cable ties seem to do it, so he's just gonna cruise off home now. So hope you get home safe, Chris. And yeah, bit of an entertaining video for you guys. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.